morning. It's a little after 5 o'clock and I just got home. I worked from a co-working space today with my friend. First things first, gotta take care of my baby. He's ready for dinner. I'm gonna get him his dinner ready and all his vitamins. Really should go to the gym. I really should go to the gym tonight. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Am I ever gonna be in the mood? No, I'm not. So I should just go. Let's see, TBD. There's a 5:45 class. We're gonna go and do this workout, whether we want to or not. Walking this little doggy before I head to the gym. Letting him out to use the bathroom. Gonna go do my workout and then I'm gonna go and meet my friend for coffee, tea, green juice, smoothie, some kind of beverage. Oh my God. That was brutal. I'm so glad I'm done. Oh my God, she's famous. I'll check her stories and I'll see. Something's happening. Helicopters for hours. Now I feel exhausted. Put away my bag, put away my keys. I'm trying to get into the habit of putting away items as I use them. Making dinner now. I'm gonna make myself a low carb pizza. It's ready. It's a little burnt, but that's how I like it. I don't know, it looks good. It is now the Netflix portion of the evening. I am going to have a seat with my pizza and find something on Netflix to watch. The last show I was watching, wait, what's the Tuesday? Oh my gosh, I think Ted Lasso is out. I'm gonna go watch Ted Lasso. I love Ted Lasso. I especially love the last episode. Is anyone watching Ted Lasso? Did you watch the last episode? The one that takes place in Amsterdam? Let me know in the comments. But that's what I'm gonna do. TV time. Dinner's done. You are a professional beggar. Take him out once again for his last walk of the evening. And then I'm gonna come home, take a shower, wash my face, put on my comfy clothes, and get into bed. It's a wild and crazy night here. Wild and crazy night. Thought I'd change it to something a little more comfortable. Do you come here often? Aren't these the most stunning pajamas ever? I want to thank Lily Silk for sponsoring today's video. Let me show you a few of my favorite things. Starting with this silk pajama set. This is the oversized Viola Silk sleepwear by Lily Silk. And this is in the color Lily White. Just melts on you. Feels like butter. The color is creamy. It's like a champagne color. It's not bright white. They use the most premium material. They use mulberry silk. I love their philosophy because they really believe in quality over quantity, and their products are made to last. I really like having fewer pieces that are well made. And I also got this lovely sleep mask. The color that I picked out for this, it's sort of like almost like a little bit of a tie-dye. It has hints of blush and pink and violet and blue. How cute. I will gladly wear this just so I feel fabulous, but if I had company, this is absolutely what I would be wearing. It elevates the whole evening when you put on silk pajamas. The other thing I want to show you are these silk scrunchies. They come in a few different sizes. I've always known about the benefits of silk on hair, especially hair like mine. It's really important to not get snagged on more porous type materials, but this, no breakage when you have a silk scrunchie like this. I also picked out their silk pillowcases. It's like sleeping on a cool cloud. I love sleeping on this pillowcase. This makes my blowout last so much longer because I'm a messy sleeper. I toss, I turn, I move around, and without a silk pillowcase, my hair is just becoming like a big frizzy mess. With a silk pillowcase, I wake up like this. My hair just looks neat and laid down. It's also good for skin to not be rubbing against hard materials, which it makes sense because we spend a third of our lives in bed, and yeah, the pillows that we sleep on, the pillowcase has to make a big difference. Quality is, look at that sheen. Look at that luxurious luster. You know, it's, oh, this is just heavenly. It's beautiful, it's sophisticated, it's classic, it's elegant. I especially love this color. I just did white. I'm really into just classic neutral white bedding right now. It's so nice to have a sleep mask that is made out of silk, again, with the skincare. And this is over your eyes, which is like such a delicate area. If you're gonna have something resting on your face, you want it to be the best quality possible. This is great for travel too, because on an airplane, I would definitely bring this. It's just so soothing also. You know, you fly long distance and you just want to show up feeling as refreshed as possible. I'll link everything in the description box below. Thank you, Lily Silk, for sponsoring today's video. For the record, the kitchen is closed. No dishes in the sink. Countertop's clear. It's looking good. It's looking so nice. It looks so good when it's clean. It really does. Like, it's cute. It's a cute, charming place. It's a cute, charming kitchen. It really is. Let me blow out these candles. This is shut down, and it looks pretty good. Right, baby? Right, baby? It looks good. You're a happy baby boy. He's ready for bed. He's ready for bed, huh? Oh, I know what you want. Always wanting them TREATs, huh? You're so cute. Why are you so cute? Little bad boy. It's definitely getting close to bedtime. The last hour of the evening, I'm being very zealous about unplugging for 1 hour before bed. And I like to read before bed, and I like to journal. This is my nighttime journal. I have daytime journals, nighttime journals, work journals, planners. I have all kinds of things. This one is where I typically do my gratitude list. And so let me just go ahead and make that now. And I usually, the way I like to do my gratitude list, I like to think of a specific person or a specific moment in the day and go in on that one specific thing and do gratitude on that. Let's see, let me think of something. Okay, I just thought of something. I met with my friend this evening, and so I'm just gonna make a list of 10 wonderful things just from that meeting. Got a free sample, and if you've been here before, you know samples are my love language. I got to see the sunset right when we were walking down the street. The sun was setting behind a building. Oh, there was a guy playing jazz music. There was a guy playing a trumpet out on the sidewalk, and I love when that happens. That was really cool. My friend gave me her salad for free because she ordered too much, and now I have a salad that I can have for my lunch tomorrow. There was money in the parking meter, so I didn't have to pay for parking. I also found a parking spot right in front of the restaurant where we met. I got to pet a really cute doggy, met the owner and pet a cute dog. Don't tell Samson. I got to hang out with my friend, found a new cute shop. They opened a cute little kind of like a general store that I'd never seen before. And we got some extra steps and we were both in the mood for walking. Also, it was perfect weather. It's like 7:30, maybe 7:45, and it was gorgeous out and the weather was perfect. I want to say it was maybe 68 degrees, just perfect weather, perfect temperature, sun starting to go down, and it was a lovely, lovely little surprise to my evening. I like getting out at least for a little bit. A lot of times I can work at home alone, but today I had social time because today I went to work at a co-working space. Tonight I got to meet with a friend. I also went to my workout, so I feel energized. I had kind of an extroverted day where I got to hang around with people. Now I'm gonna do my little bit of reading before bed and call it a night. Right now I'm reading Swing Time by Zadie Smith. My friend got me this for my birthday. Hard to see, but that says large print. How rude. I used to get large print books from my grandmother when I was in high school. I would buy my grandma books and it had to be large print. And I cannot believe that my friend got me this book. But it's actually really nice to have the large print. I'm not gonna lie. And it makes it look like I'm reading a much bigger book than I am because the print is so big. Thanks for hanging out with me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.